Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. So I'm here today with our Arctic Cat four-wheeler and we've got a flat tire. All right, so I was out riding this the other day checking some trail cams and I actually heard this tire get a puncture in it. And so I'm looking and the only thing that I see is this right here. So we're going to take a little bit of soapy water in a spray bottle and see, oh yeah. So there is our problem. So I've got this Slime Deluxe Tire Plug Kit, and I thought I'd go ahead and use this plug kit to fix this tire. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so on the instructions it says step 1 is to remove any puncturing objects from your tire. So let's see if we can get that piece of wood out of there. First, I'm just going to use a pair of needle nose pliers. I may end up pushing it back in rather than pulling it out. Okay, let's try a little pick hook. And this pick hook is one of the free gifts that Harbor Freight gave us on one of their weekend sales. That is a big piece of wood. I don't think I'm going to get that out. My guess is it's going to end up going straight in. Okay, the thing is pretty much gone, but I didn't get anything out of it. And I rode over, a few branches when that happened. So I'm going to say we've got that pushed back in because I don't see it anymore. Step 2 is slide the reamer tool in and out of your tire puncture multiple times to roughen and clean the inside of the hole. So we'll open our kit up and do that. So here's the reamer that came in the kit, and we'll go ahead and run that in and out of the hole to clean it. Okay, now you can hear it coming out. And I really like these handles that are on these tools. So this isn't the first set that I've had of tire plugs, but this one has a little bit nicer handles than some of them. This kit was on sale at Walmart for $8. So here's some of the plugs that come in the kit. I'll peel one of those out. They're sticky enough to stick to the paper anyway. Then we'll apply our glue to the plug. We came with a tube of slime plug bond. And we'll just put this on the center of the plug. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and coat it up liberally. Okay, that should do it. Okay, then we're just going to slide this into the hole. I've never had one I couldn't get in a hole. That's what's married that tire. There we go. So now that we've got the plug in, pull the tool straight back out, and we've got the plug in there. When this tire was flat, it was pretty difficult to do. Once I put air in the tire so that the tire was more rigid, it slid right in. And we'll check it for leaks. which I don't think there are any because I don't see any bubbles coming around the glue. Okay, we got the tire aired up. Let's see if we have any leaks. I don't see any bubbles, so that was a success. Okay, so there's what's left of our Slime Deluxe Tire Plug Kit, and there's our tire, which is holding air. All right, so if you have a flat on any tubeless tire, but especially an ATV tire, I can definitely recommend the Slime Deluxe Tire Plug Kit, or pretty much any of the plug kits. One of the things I liked about this one, I like the handles on the tools, and that reamer is a nice large piece. It's pretty sturdy, and the handle made it easy to get that hole reamed out. I also liked the actual plugger tool, and one of the places I've made a mistake while doing this before is when you plug in, when you push in, it's just natural reaction to want to turn that, and you don't want to do that. Push it straight in, pull it straight out, and your tire should stop leaking. The last tip I've got is if your tire is completely flat and it's one of these low pressure tires anyway, it makes it really tough. This is just so loose, it doesn't have much resistance to it, and it's tough to get that plug to slide in there. If your tire's got air in it so that this carcass is pretty well stiff, it slides right in. So give that a shot if you ever have problems with it. All in all, that's our video. Hope you liked it. Hope you give us a like if you did, and subscribe to see more. We always love your comments. Have a great day and stay safe.